All right, back at it with what I think is the last bit of my uh, gas pedal, drive-by-wire pedal assembly that doesn't use the plastic Coyote pedal. So this was the Factory 5 pedal assembly or pedal pad, and as you guys probably know, it sits in the car like this, so it's tilted, and it's close to the interior sheet metal over here, which I didn't like. There's no real way to turn it straight because then the pivot, the axle would be crooked. So what I did is I wanted a tilting pad to match my other pedal pads in the car. And then this is just a 3D printed temporary part to match the model that I posted a picture of. And the idea was to just test the fit, make sure the height lines up, make sure it folds like it's supposed to, right? So this is hard for me to do, right, without holding the base, but you can see, make sure it folds up and your foot fits into this area and it goes all the way down until it hits the pedal travel stop that I built, which is this, which is adjustable, so you can set that. And I think I like where it's at. The only thing I don't love is that the bolt holes, all the other pedal pads are in these top holes, and these are in the bottom holes. There's just no good way to make all the bolt holes line up. Otherwise, this hole, the lower hole, right, this is the outer hole, the lower hole is a ½ inch down. So it would be underneath this mechanism and it would interfere with the pedal mechanism unless I were to move this up, and it would be just a self-defeating circle, right? So I guess that really truly does not matter that it doesn't line up. But I think, I was worried about this short offset from where you push it, wanting to twist the pedal, but really you touch it kind of right here anyway, or at least when I was just in the car testing it out, and it seems to work pretty good. This one also, as you can see, if I line up the axle, you're touching it way up here and it collapses this way really quick anyway. So even though this looks way offset, I think it actually works all right. Like I said, I cycled it a few times in the car, and it works better than you might think it would work. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go ahead and machine one of these parts out of metal. I'm not going to use the 3D printed part, and go from there.